Fine, let us start solving the problem number 17 here, right? Okay, fine. The train starts at 10:50 a.m. right? The train is starting at 10:50 a.m. from New Delhi. So it is leaving New Delhi at a speed of 80 km per hour. That is, they have given speed, right? They have given speed is 80 km per hour. Then at what time will cover the distance of 120 km? They have given distance also, right? They have given distance. Distance is equal to 120 km. So what we need to find? We need to find time. Time is equal to what? Now we know the time is equal to what? Distance by speed, right? Distance by speed, right here. Distance is how much? That is 120 km. That divided by 80 km per hour speed. Now simplify it. 0 0 will be cancelled. This will become 12 by 8. Again, if you simplify, 4 3s are and 4 2s are. So time is equal to 3 by 2 hour. 3 by 2 hour, which is nothing but 1.5 hour. How I converted it? So you can do like this, right? Convert it into mixed fraction. 2 1s are 2 1. So that is QRD, right? So quotient is how much? 1 and remainder is 1 and 2. This is 1.5 hour. So 1.5 hour, now we need to calculate. 1.5 hour means that is 1 hour 30 minutes, right? 30 minutes. Now let us check out what is going to happen here. So the train starts at 10:50 a.m. right now. So 1 hour plus 1 hour, let me add here 1 hour. So that is going to be, that is 11:50 a.m. Again I need to add 30 minutes here, 30 minutes. That is what happens here. That is 11:50, 12, 12:20. 12:20 p.m. is the answer, right? But instead of calculating like this, you can calculate this way also. That is the train leaving at 10:50, right? And 1.5 hour, that 1 hour 30 minutes, right? 0, 5 plus 3, 8. 80 will come. Let me go with this. 80 and 10 plus 1, 11. But 80 won't come, right? So 80 minutes is nothing but 1 hour 20 minutes. Correct? 1 hour 20 minutes, right? 1 hour 20 minutes means what now? 11. This is going to be so 1 hour you can take there. That is 60. You can take this side. That will become 12 and 20 minutes. Otherwise, you can add like this also. 1 hour 20 minutes, right? This is 11 plus 1. That is 12. So that way you can calculate. This is 12 hour 20 minutes, right? Or otherwise, what you can do? Here we know that is 11, 10, 50. It is living. So convert everything into in terms of minutes. This 1 hour 30 minutes is nothing but 90 minutes. 90, right? 0, 0. 9 plus 5, 14. Correct? 9 plus 5 is 14. Right? 4, 1 carry. Right? So 1, 9 plus 90 plus 50. That is what we need to do. 90 plus 50. 90 plus 50 is nothing but 140 minutes. 140 minutes is nothing but, that is 2 hour 20 minutes, right? Here what happens here? 140. So what you can do here, you make it as 20 and as well as you take 2 carry, that is going to be 1220. This way also you can do. Otherwise See here, 1.5 hour, that is 10:50. So 1 hour, that is going to be 11:50 plus 30 minutes, 11:50. 10 minutes you add, that become 12 plus 20, 12:20. And the answer is 12:20.